Guys, is Binance signaling, according to this chart, a huge pullback to all the way down around $60, maybe $76 in that case. And also, we're seeing Binance also having more unemployment on their company as well. Well, stay tuned, guys, because I do want to talk to you guys about a scenario if this does not recover in time. What the charts are saying to me, according to what I'm seeing here, Binance can have a huge hit on its cryptocurrencies, which signals a hit on their company, using the SEC against Binance, and also on this massive, huge bearish confirmations which keep adding up, and for some weird reason it is indicating to me, at least in that case, that this is looking like it's going to have a huge dump if it doesn't recover very soon, which I'm going to talk to you guys about this today into this video, guys. So yeah, so stay tuned, guys. Hi guys, and welcome to Crypto Solutions, here to help you make the best decisions in cryptocurrency and in cryptocurrency technical analysis. So like, comment, and share this YouTube video with your friends. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel, Crypto Solutions, if you haven't subscribed yet, guys. And also click the bell notifications to stay ahead in the cryptocurrency market using my cryptocurrency technical analysis YouTube video, guys. And also, guys, and thank you so much for your very great support on my Caspa technical analysis YouTube video, guys. I really appreciate it. We're doing very good with those videos, and I really appreciate support. And I'm very glad that my message is getting to you guys in that case, and you appreciate it. So I appreciate that very much in that case. And wish you the best, guys. And let's get started here, guys. And let's continue with this Binance BNB cryptocurrency technical analysis for today, guys, which is, the Binance coin technical analysis YouTube video, guys. Let's get started, guys. So in today's Binance technical analysis YouTube video, guys, so here I do want to tell you guys about what I'm seeing here, because it is very interesting to me what I'm seeing here. It is a lot of things I'm going to be talking to you guys about today, about the Binance price. So guys, so looking at the patterns here, guys, so if we see here, guys, on the monthly, so Binance has been forming these patterns that keep fulfilling over and over again. So I want to start off with this one right here, guys. So Binance formed this kind of an asymmetrical ascending channel here, ascending wedge here. Once it broke out here, completed the target. And the way we can predict this would be having this support to this resistance target here, okay? And that will give you this targets. And what's very interesting is that after Binance broke this massive resistance, met the target, and that was the top, then pull back from there, okay? So that's one of the patterns that explain why did this movement happen. Of course, you have Bitcoin going up, and of course a lot of money printing during the last 3 years in this case, okay? So now Binance is forming, let's see here something. I just realized something here, okay, there, okay? So I want to delete this, no, just put it there for just a moment here, guys. So here, guys, so the Binance price has been forming this asymmetrical triangle, in this case, or a descending triangle. It looks like both, okay? If you use the body candle closest here, then it's resistance, support here, and resistance, support, resistance, broke above, confirmed as support, but the next one fake outs, came back to retest again the support, had a little bit of a pump there, and then now it closed below, and now it's closing multiple monthly body candle closes below that support, which is literally the last support, because there's no trading range here, literally, okay? This is all blank space. And what this is indicating, guys, is that after we have this breakout, then the target was supposed to be around here, $1,155.06, okay? But in this case, we saw the breakout support. Next one didn't follow through. So that indicates weakness, and very harsh weakness, because not only that, guys, but it also formed like a double top here and then broke below, and now we're seeing follow through. So we're seeing follow through using the double top here, and also the descending triangle, or you can call it an asymmetrical triangle. Either both will give you the same bearish targets anyways, literally to the SATS dollar in that case. So if we pull out using this targets using the Binance price here, we can see that that gives us this price target, okay? That would be around here. That would be around $63. I have it exact here. I already drew this before. So this would be the technical target if it fulfills the full target. So that would be $60. So from here, that would be right now 71% from there, okay? And if it's going to fulfill only using the body candle closes, because this is using also the wicks. So if I use the wicks like I did here, then it gives us this target. If we use the monthly body candle closes here, then that will give us this target. That would be around here, around $76. Either way, it is very bearish. So yeah, so from there, that would be a 64%, guys. That's not good at all. And this is a long time pattern, okay? This is a monthly pattern. And if we go to the 2 monthly, this is very bearish, guys, okay? Because literally, this is the massive support. Each candle will be 2 monthly body candle closes. And here, it closed a little bit below. And now it seems like it's gonna close another one. Well, if that happens, another 2 monthly body candle close, yeah, it would be, you have to really be careful with this, because there's no trading range here. So literally, if this support cannot hold, like the last line of support would be literally $183, which is this wick. If this wick does not hold, guys, this can have a massive fireworks to the downside. And this can be very severe, okay? Technically speaking, this is what the charts are saying, guys, okay? And the net support, just using the wicks, will not be until $43 if we are using the 2 monthly. If we're using the monthly, then that would be here, potentially around $50. Either way, this is a big gap, guys. And not only that, guys, but usually all coins like to lose 95%, almost all of them. Binance is one of those exceptions, at least so far, which it hasn't lost 95%. And you can see it here, okay? If we go here, from this top to this low, 84%. If we go from here to here, 85%. And from here to here, 70%, and if we use this one, 73%, okay? So, okay, let's just use that strategy, okay? Just using 85% pullback, okay? That will give you here, $102. Still, using the percentage pullback strategy, which Binance has done in its history. So just by seeing this, Binance likes to lose 85% in average. If it's going to have the worst, like severe dumpage, would be 85%, okay? And what's very interesting is almost every altcoin loses 95% in average, okay? So Binance hasn't lost that, and that's very weird, guys, because Bitcoin even loses 95%. Back then, because right now the higher the market cap, the harder it is to move it that low. So it's losing its volatility to the downside also and to the upside. So Binance itself, I will expect at least just by seeing the charts, any moments now, literally Binance can literally pull back, and it is on a thread right now. So literally, If this doesn't recover very soon here, I would say, just to give you like a time frame, guys, if Binance cannot get above, in this case, at least a monthly body candle close above here, above $218.70 here, if that doesn't happen within the next 4 months, guys, my opinion in this case, and also looking at the charts here, this should have a high chance of Binance having a severe pullback to the downside. And the technical targets, again, would be between $76.60. No, wait, $76 and also $60. That would be the range, literally, okay? And yeah, it's not looking good here. And also, if you're seeing Binance news, like, I usually ignore news because it doesn't really matter most of the times, at least if you're seeing on the short term, mid-term, especially Binance. You know, Binance has been an altcoin that has been flooded out so many times. It's like a Tether type of scenario we're seeing here. It's like, oh, Tether's gonna collapse, and it never happens. Binance, in this case, it's, in my perspective, it is leaning more that this is looking like it wants to collapse. Because if Binance pulls back this amount, Binance can collapse. There's almost no other way to say it. Because just looking at the charts, and if you want to look at the fundamentals, well, also it's kind of adding up. Well, I usually ignore the news. If I see the charts literally on a bull market, like long-term very bullish, then I really don't care about, in this case, the news, because I'm seeing the charts. That's what actually tells you what the price action is going to do, short-term and mid-term, and also long-term. But short-term and mid-term is looking very bearish here, because literally, guys, this is the 2 monthly. If we pull out the moving averages here, just the yellow lines, which I like to use a lot because it's very useful for very strong buying and selling opportunities here, okay? So as you can see here, if you want to have a better moving average that gives you a better buy and sell signal, well, Binance here literally just lost this yellow line, which is usually support when it wants to go higher, and also this light blue line also is below. And this is, guys, this is the 2 monthly. This is not a daily, this is not a weekly, it's not a monthly, this is a 2 monthly yeah, chart I'm seeing here, guys, and it's very bearish, guys. It's horrible. Because we're seeing here even the 8 simple moving average crossing below the light blue. That's so bearish, guys. It's just, you're losing 2 monthly body candle closes support literally on the monthly. The yellow line, the light blue line. So the yellow line, just in case if you're new, that's the 8 simple moving average, and the 20 and the light blue is a 21 simple moving average, guys. And both has been lost. Okay, there's not even fake outs. It has 1, 2, and this will be the third one, guys. Usually, this will indicate that this is has a very high chance of this just collapsing down. And I'm looking to trade this. Guys. And all of those details are in my Discord group, because I already mentioned this on my Discord group. I do want to mention this because it is very interesting what's happening here, guys. Well, usually when you're very bullish in this case, at least first you want to be above that yellow line, okay? For long term, above that minimum and 2 monthly, okay? If not, it is a sell signal no matter what. No matter what, okay? And most of the times in that case. So if we go to the Bitcoin price, guys, I want to show you guys what will be the difference. Okay, there's a lot of things here. Okay, so at least if the Bitcoin price, let's say, loses the support, let's say on this case, okay, $16,456. I'm not saying that this is going to happen. I'm just saying that I'm just going to explain the reasons for why it is important to have trading ranges here, okay? If Bitcoin were to lose, let's say $16,000 $16,525.50 as support. Dollars as support. Still, we still have support. Let's say $10,000. I'm not saying that this is going to happen, guys. I'm just saying this just for context here, for evidence. So, as you can see here, guys, these trading ranges are important because here, guys, you can see it clearly. As soon as it lost this support, look at the dumpage. Boom. Okay? Where did it find support here? On this wicks. Because this is trading ranges. And here, it even pulled back even more. And that is support here still. And you can see that when this dump happened, there wasn't any trading range here, guys. That's why it dumped very hard like this. 47%, okay? Not including wicks, just the body candle closes here, okay? And look at the amount of rapid dumpage to the downside. So Binance can have that same faith in this case in just by not having support all of here, okay? Binance has not lost a 95%, which is very weird, guys. Again, that's another, at least for me, looking at the charts, it's very weird because Bitcoin is the best performing asset in the cryptocurrency market. And Bitcoin lost 95%. And Binance has just lost 85% just in this pullbacks, which is so weird. So weird because if you're talking about the best performing asset, then that's Bitcoin. And technically it is still, because even if Binance has lost 85% in average, if we go to the Binance against Bitcoin chart, it's outperforming Bitcoin on the long term, which is so weird, okay? Because look at this, just higher lows, higher highs. So Binance, technically speaking here, is outperforming Bitcoin on the long term, which is weird to say buying altcoin and having Bitcoin. And what this is telling me, okay, now we're touching, let's say, theories right now. Now I want to put you a scenario here. So my theory in this case will be Binance cannot keep outperforming Bitcoin, because then what's the point of Bitcoin in that case? This has to pull back eventually, okay? And by just using this chart right here, if it pulls back all the way here, 51%, that will give you support here. Still, that would be, let's say from right now to that would be 45%, okay? So my theory on this is Binance will have to eventually pull back enough to make the case in which it doesn't keep outperforming Bitcoin. So it can either be a massive crash or just enough of a pullback to eliminate that scenario about Binance outperforming Bitcoin. Because so far, even on Ethereum, let's say on Ethereum, guys, okay, we're going to Ethereum here. Even Ethereum cannot outperform Bitcoin in the long term. Then why the heck Binance is doing that? That's weird. I mean, that's what the charts are saying, guys, okay? That's not my opinion. It's just that's what I'm seeing here. So Ethereum against Bitcoin. This means that if you buy Ethereum on the long term, is it going to outperform Bitcoin? Well, long term, it doesn't. Long term. Yes, if you go to the US dollar pair, yes, it will outperform in percentage. But Bitcoin already did that US dollar wise if you want to play that game, because Bitcoin has already appreciated millions of percent. Ethereum, I think it has also, but not more than Bitcoin because of simply the market cap. Bitcoin has a bigger market cap, so therefore it has appreciated much more than every other cryptocurrency by default. So yeah, Binance is not looking good, guys. As what I'm going to tell you is not financial advice, but this is what I will. This is what I will do if I were to have Binance right now. I will play it safe and sell right now. Not because of the news, it's because of the charts, guys. Look at this. I will at least I will expect until, like, for example, if I were to buy Binance coin, in this case BNB, personally I will wait until it closes at least one to two month one to two monthly body candle closes above this yellow line. At least, guys, because right now the probabilities right here is that it has a higher chance of this going down than up right now. Okay, so until Binance closes a monthly body candle close above here, this supports. Okay, this will be above 209. Let's see here, using the here. Okay, $218 with 10 cents. Okay, until it closes above that, this is indicating that this is going to pull back 64% to all the way to 71% pullback. Okay, this is what the charts are saying, guys, literally. And you have to be careful, because also I saw news about Binance. Their risk management like officer also quit recently. I'm like, that's very bearish for me, in my perspective, because you're telling me that the person who's in charge in balancing the risk management on Binance is quitting at the same time that they're having the SEC coming after them for lawsuits. It's not looking good. Coinbase is safe because BlackRock is with them, but Binance, just by looking at the charts, guys, it's looking horrible, and also more bearish news for Binance. This time, I'm leaning more for Binance having a huge crash right now, okay? Until it can close a monthly body candle close above here. Until that happens, right now, my bias will be more downside, okay? So, and if you want to look at more moving averages, then this dark blue is the 50 simple moving average, and the purple line here is the 55 simple moving average. So yeah, it's having support. So this is the reason why it hasn't crashed just yet, because it's having support here. You can see support, support, support. But once it loses this purple line, oh my gosh, this will be a very good, I'm looking to short this literally, because this can be potentially, maybe, okay? Just looking at the charts, this is looking like it's going to pull back, okay? At least 50% from here would be, let's see here, 50% would be $105.20, okay? So, and that's using, the reason for that 50% is because of the Binance against Bitcoin short. In that case, if it finds support, and from here 85% will also be here. Oh my gosh, also $105. So that has confluence. So this 85% average pullback. And yes, I fully understand that diminishing returns, of course, diminishing losses also, but it's just Binance. At least this is what the technicals are saying. This is what the patterns are stating. And even the double top here, guys, look at this. Just let's remove some moving averages here, guys. Look at this. Just if we're looking just for the, come on, just for the body candle close double top, then that target would be here. Here, $179 here, okay? So I'm gonna put the target, okay? So I can, mark this for future reference, okay? And that will be here. Let's see, here and there. Okay, just a moment here, guys, and beautiful. There. Yeah, a little bit. And there. There, yeah, around that. So I'm gonna put a line here, and that will be here, around this target. And if we use the wicks like this, then target would be $153.08. Okay, $153.08 there. This will be another target. Okay, let's move this a little bit here, and yes, those will be the targets. Okay, this is what the technicals are stating. Okay, in my opinion, I do see here more pullbacks. Okay, I usually base my opinions on a chart, so it's almost the same. But yeah, sometimes I can have my opinion and then the charts say another thing, but very little details on that case. In that case, yeah, this is looking very bearish, guys. Symmetrical triangle, fake outs using monthly body candle closes, very bearish, and now confirmation of previous support and resistance here, and now this, if this doesn't recover very soon again, guys, yeah, very bearish, and you have to watch out. Okay, at least if you're looking to buy BNB in this case, at least, guys, listen to me, guys. Not franchise, but you know, just take into consideration what I'm saying here. At least wait a 2 monthly body candle close above this yellow line, the 2 monthly 8 simple moving average and the 2 monthly. That would be above $270 with 10 cents at least, guys. Okay, to avoid a scenario which this can crash. Okay, but right now the high probabilities are that Binance is gonna pull back, break out to the downside, confirming previous support as new resistance. Very bearish, guys, very bearish. And in the middle of that, so you see the asymmetrical triangle, and also it can be looked at as a asymmetrical triangle, descending triangle. Both targets to the downside are almost the same. Also closing below the 8 simple moving average in the 2 monthly time frame, the yellow line, and closing also a 2 monthly body candle close below the light blue line, which is a 21 simple moving average. It's two 2 monthly body candle closes below both the lines, below the yellow line and the light blue line, and also confirming this previous support as new resistance by closing one, and now this will be the second potentially 2 monthly body candle close below here. This is looking horrible, guys. So if this is looking horrible on the 2 monthly, then on the monthly it's kind of worse, and the 3 weekly, 4 weekly worse, 2 weekly, and all of that by default. So yeah, right now, guys, yeah, that's what I'm seeing here, guys. I'm looking right now, one more 2 monthly body candle close below here where it's at right now, below this, let's say below here, below $216, below $215.90. Another 2 monthly body candle close below $215.90. And yes, my expectation, pull back severely. That is also in confluence. Let's see here for the Binance against Bitcoin chart here. even on the Binance against Bitcoin, look at that, 1 and 2, boom. And usually once you go below that yellow line, pull back. Below the yellow line, pull back. Below that light blue line, even more pullback. So breakout support, confirmation of resistance here, literally, it's very beautiful. Break previous support as new resistance and then following through. That's horrible. Next support will be around here, 0.0048 Satoshis in that case. So that would be here, guys, okay? That would be, just a moment here, guys, here. Pull back from here to here. Once it loses this support, using the Binance against Bitcoin chart, here, 36% from there. And here, look, you can see that also kind of happened here. Look at this. Kind of an asymmetrical triangle, and once it lost here, fake out, and boom. But this happened again because of a massive money printing around here. And also the Bitcoin price is going up higher, new all-time highs in that case. But Binance on the long term still is bullish, Short term and mid term looks it's bearish, but long term still, technically speaking, it is higher highs, higher lows, and higher highs still here. Okay. And on the normal USD chart, the same, higher lows here and higher highs here still. But if this doesn't hold support and it breaks, massive pullback all the way down to around here. So I'm looking to short this. All of those details will be on my Discord group, what I'm looking to do right there. And it will be on my patreon.com/cryptosolutions. You're gonna see on the top right, you're going to see it on the bottom right corner of this video right here, guys. And yeah, it's very affordable, guys, and I will help you a lot around in that Discord group. I put out more consistent technical analysis on other cryptocurrencies, more on a consistent basis. So in one video, I can put 5 cryptocurrencies. And usually right now, I'm just doing one technical analysis per week at this moment because there's not much volatility happen. But once the volatility gets going, then I usually post more consistent videos in that case. So yeah, guys, that's what I'm seeing so far for the Binance coin here, guys. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this YouTube video, guys. If you enjoyed this YouTube video, guys, leave a like, comment, and share this YouTube video with your friends. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel, Crypto Solutions, if you haven't subscribed yet, guys. And also click the bell notifications to stay ahead in the cryptocurrency market using my technical analysis YouTube video, guys, on almost any cryptocurrency. And also, guys, if you need help in the cryptocurrency market, had any questions, investing in short-term, mid-term, and long-term, I have an elite VIP crypto investor membership, which I cover 2 to 3 times per week. Technical analysis on various cryptocurrencies. It can be Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, Chainlink. It can be HETS, it can be Binance, it can be Quant, ISO 222 tokens, can be IOTA, XLM, etc. And I also post it's like a signals kind of thing, but it's more towards me showing you what I'm doing in this case, which is trading in the short term and mid term. I put on trading opportunities, which I'm going to show you right now, which are right here when you're seeing the midterm personal trading opportunities. Like this, I update you guys on my trading opportunities and when I'm looking to buy or take profits or sell. Also, when I'm doing dollar cost averaging, I also notify when I'm buying and selling which specific cryptocurrencies. This is not financial advice. But this can be used as educational, investigation, and also entertainment. So, and also, if you have any specific questions about if this cryptocurrency is good, what about this one? Will it be in the future? What will be the most likely outcomes? Things like that. I can definitely help you with that. I also take into consideration the total solar eclipses, the total lunar eclipses, the Shemitah cycles, and other very, very important indicators which I personally use to determine near bottoms and near tops in the bear markets and bull markets for the Bitcoin price. So yeah, if you need help, you can definitely click in the Patreon link in the description below. Patreon.com/cryptosolutions, and that's how it works usually. Like I have the $50 per month in this case crypto portfolio investment review, but that will be just one payment, so it will not be a per month basis. It will be just one verification. So if you're interested, you can definitely click on my Patreon link in the description below, Crypto Solutions. It will be patreon.com/cryptosolutions, and I will see you guys there. I really appreciate it, guys, and I will help you as much as possible. I will see you right now there, guys. Have a nice day, guys, and take care, guys. Thank you so much for watching this YouTube video, guys. Have a nice day, guys. Take care, guys, and peace out, guys.